Hi, I'm Darian Stibby. I'm the Executive Director of the Partnering Initiative. We are an international NGO. We work extensively with a number of UN agencies, multinational companies, governments, and international NGOs, supporting effective collaboration for sustainable development. And I'm delighted to join this course in which I will be talking about the partnering cycle. Now, the partnering cycle is a way of picturing the process that a partnership will go through from the very early stages all the way through to the very end of the partnership. Now, I should say that this is, in a way, a theoretical construct, and no partnership goes through a step-by-step approach that this partnering cycle suggests. But nevertheless, it is very useful to be able to understand the different phases of a partnership in order to be able to make sure that you're not missing any of the phases, that you're not missing out any of the steps that are pretty essential for ensuring that your partnership is really set up to be as effective as possible. Now, our partnering cycle has four major phases. It has a scoping and building phase, in which you are, in a sense, understanding the overall issue, looking for potential partners and collaborators, identifying who they are, and beginning to build a relationship, build up a partnership, and really help to design that partnership. The next phase is moving into the implementation. So it's the managing and maintaining phase, in which we are mobilizing resources and beginning delivery of this partnership objectives. And it's connected very strongly, this implementation phase, also with the next one, the reviewing and revising, because as we'll see shortly, we very much believe that the sort of management of a partnership includes very much ongoing review and iteration. And hence you will see the arrow, the curled arrow around implementation to sort of demonstrate that it is a bit of a cyclical process. So in the reviewing and revising stage, it really is looking at assessing the partnership, seeing how effectively it is working and operating, and adjusting the partnership to the context and to the needs as the partnership gets more and more mature. Then in the final phase, about sustaining outcomes, it's about understanding where a partnership goes next. A partnership might have been very successful. Is there a way perhaps of scaling it up or replicating it elsewhere? Or it could be that the partnership has come to a natural end and it's time to move on. But in all cases, it's really about trying to sustain the outcomes of the partnership as a project. So that's the overarching partnering cycle. I'm now going to go into each of the different elements of that partnering cycle in more detail, starting with scoping and building.